Alright, back on this road. Damn, that's a nice view. Shit, we gotta appreciate the little things. Said fucking, the front AC wasn't working. Huh. Maybe it isn't. We know this one is. Yeah, bud. Check out this fucker. There's one supply duct that feeds this whole restaurant. It is the weirdest fucking thing. It's actually not running. Okay. It's probably not even calling on the thermostat. Let's see what's up. There's the problem. Economizer's fucking wide open. I mean, it's definitely pretty warm out here. I don't have my temperature probe, but I'd say it's at least 70 something. It's not no 55 degrees out here, so that's for sure. That's for sure, for sure. Wiggle it just a little bit. Alright, let's see where the fucking outdoor sensor is. Right there. This guy. That guy right there. Yeah, that sensor probably is fucking 55. So what I'm gonna do is take it out. We're gonna. Alright, I warmed up the sensor in my hand for like 6 minutes. And now we're gonna open. Once we make, then we're gonna bang on the compressor. Ta-da! This coil is pretty dirty. I bring my coil jet up real quick and hit it. Might as well. Actually, I'll go do that now so I can clean out that filter too. So, it's got a hose here. I don't see no wah-wah. I see hose, but wah. That's hose, no wah-wah. Never any wah-wah. Why no wah-wah? And now we're full open. Close. Probably take that fucking sensor out of there. I'm gonna leave it in the sun. I'll talk to him about it, just because they have one supply vent in this place for an entire seating area. I'll see if I can film in there.